Spend so many money on no expression.
Yeah, turn me up a little in the headphones. You should just stop talking and just do it then. You should just stop talking and just do it then. You should just stop talking and just do it then. Bitches ain't doing shit right now and wasn't doing shit back when I was cool with them. Said, bitch, I'm a hooligan. Said, fuck it, we outside. If I spot them, you know that I'm booming them. We got all the shoot 'em in. I don't really give a fuck if it's 10, if it's 5, or just 2 of them. You bout that, then prove it then. Cause I don't really have time just to play, just like gum, I be chewing them. We got 9s with extended the clip. My nigga told y'all what happens if you fuck with his bitch. You get snapped right in half, you get left in the ditch. Shut up, bitch, you ain't with the shit. That these bitches is crazy. I grew up in Jamaica, that Southside. I grew up on a box out in Baisley. They tryna come take me. I don't give a fuck, now I'm up. Tell them try, if they do, they won't make it. I went from 20 to a 40 to a 60. I don't fuck with bitches cause these hoes be too mixy. I don't fuck with niggas cause they all out to get me. If I see y'all up, we gon' click it till it's empty. I went from 20 to a 40 to a 60 pack. Called up Poppy on the phone, he got 80, I said gimme that. We on you like clothes, call it Jimmy Jazz. My booty semi-fat, I'm the plug, got more sauce than spaghetti had. I don't like bitches, I don't like kitty cat. I don't even like to talk, so you can save your chitty chat. And yeah, we pull up in that dunga, that's that semi-cat. When you hit a room, you know that sus ain't no going back. You should just stop talking and just do it then. You should just stop talking and just do it then, bitch. You should just stop talking and just do it then.